Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. You may be wondering why I have a towel on my head. Let me tell you, I just got out of the shower. That's it. That's why I have a towel on my head. But I've been trying this thing in the shower where I don't listen to anything, no music, no nothing. It's just me and my thoughts. And that can be very dangerous, especially for me, because I got a lot of thoughts going on up here, especially right now. This is a very interesting time in my life. So yeah, but I'm gonna talk to you while I get ready because I have work in like, okay Google, what time is it?
It's 1:40 p.m.
In like an hour. So basically while I was in the shower, I was thinking about all these pictures on my wall, all those pictures, you know, and I was like, my highlights look very grown out in a lot of these pictures, like you can tell. And so I was like, maybe I should get my highlights redone. And then I was like, maybe I should just chop my hair off, because you know, when girls are going through something, they want to chop their hair off or do something to their hair, you know, because that's, I don't know why that's a thing. Why is that a thing? Anybody know? Anyways, not important. I was like, maybe I'll chop my hair off. Oh, maybe I'll get my highlights redone. And then I was like, I'm not gonna chop my hair off because I want it to grow out. And if I redo my highlights, it's just a lot of work and then I actually have to pay for it. So I was like, what if, hear me out, what if I dyed a strip of my hair blue? And then I was like, yes, I'm gonna do it, because now is the perfect time to do it, because let me tell you, my boyfriend is on a camping trip this weekend and I'm pretty sure he doesn't have service. And so he won't know, and I always tease him and I'm like, I'm gonna chop my hair off just one of these trips that you go on. You're just gonna come back and I'm gonna have short hair. As a joke, obviously, because I'm not gonna cut my hair, like I said. But what if he came home and I had a blue stripe in my hair? What do I think of that? Good idea, bad idea? Probably a bad idea. Do I give a crap? No. So I decided I'd record this because obviously you can see how like crazy I am, but I'm feeling, what's the word? Impulsive. I'm feeling impulsive. I'm feeling crazy. I've had a bad weekend. A bad week. I just want to like wrap it all up and put a little bow on it, blue bow on it in my hair. You know what I'm saying? So I am going to do it when I get home from work. I figured that if I recorded it, I would actually do it, be more likely to do it instead of just saying I'm going to. So here we are. But I've had my hair dyed colors before, like in 2020 during quarantine. Y'all know how people would just get super bored and would just like do whatever. Yeah, I dyed my hair. Here's a picture of that. I'm gonna be doing the same method, which is KOOL-AID, because it doesn't cost any money, you know what I'm saying. But that stayed for a long time. It only came out when I cut it out. And do I give a crap? Again, no. I'm going on a mission in July next year. Pretty sure you can't have colored hair, like brightly colored hair. But you know, we're gonna cross that river when we get to it because I wanna do this. Do they look even? Yes. Ooh, you know what I didn't think about? What if it turns out green? I hate the color green. Or maybe I'll do red. And then it'll turn to pink. Last time I did purple and it turned to pink. I don't know. Okay, here's the deal. So, got home from work about an hour ago. I work at a barber shop, right? And so all of the people that work there are people that went to hair school and know all about hair and blah, 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 right? So I was talking to my friends, my coworkers, and I was telling them like jokingly like, I'm gonna color my hair with KOOL-AID, haha, so funny, like joking around about it. And they were getting really mad and like told me that like it would not look good. They actually talked me out of it for a minute, but I have an idea. At work, I was like, what if I dyed my ends brown? Because there's a way to make brown out of green and orange, or blue and orange, I think. And so I have blue and orange, I think. And so this is my idea. Okay, this is my idea. I'm gonna dye a strip brown instead to see what it looks like. I'm not a good impulsive person, as we found out, because I was impulsive this morning. It was like, oh, I'm still gonna be impulsive at 10 o'clock at night, which I'm not. I'm being more practical now. Okay, y'all, I have to whisper because my parents are sleeping, but it's almost 11 o'clock. I have to pee really bad, but I'm gonna do this anyways. Here we go. Which one looks more blue? I don't have orange. What if I did this? I think this is red. No, that would make purple. I don't know what to do right now. Hold on. Okay, I looked it up, and it says that you can mix yellow and purple to also get brown. So here's what I'm thinking, okay? Yellow lemonade with the cherry one, because I think it'll be darker than regular flavor. I don't know. And then blue. I'm really nervous. It says 2 packets per 1/2 cup of water. But I have to let it sit for 30 minutes. Thanks, I'm so scared. No turning back now, no matter what color it is. My hair's going in there, so. Okay, it looks like reddish purple. It looks like peaches. My scalp is burning. Have any of you seen Gilmore Girls? Because I feel like Lane right now, when she tried to dye her hair purple and like the bleach was like burning her scalp or whatever and she had to run around the block. That's what I feel like right now. The timer has gone off. Looks, oh my neck. Oh my gosh. Okay. It looks so red. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, dude. It's so red. Oh, frick me. Also, remember how I said that I was gonna hide this from my parents and like be able to? That was a funny joke. Good morning. Did you miss me? Okay, look at this. I watched the videos back from last night and you can't tell how red it is. Like it just kind of like looks purple and dark. So I wanted to do it in better lighting. Can you see how red it is? Bruh. That actually looks so cool. I'm like, oh yeah, she's basic, and then boom! You know? Switch locations. I'm now in the bathroom. We're gonna curl my hair. Okay, I finished curling. And now it looks like this. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. Okay. It's so, like, I love it. I literally love it. It looks so pretty. What do you think? I guess it's okay. Okay, open.
You do something with your hair? Yo! It looks so good!
Good, I'm glad you like it.
Wait, when did you decide to dye your hair?
That was the chaotic night I had. It was impulsive.
What happened?
But that's it for this video. You're not going to see this video for a while, so follow my Instagram if you want to see me do more crazy stuff before it comes out on YouTube. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!